Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on Binance. Keep watching the video till the end. Before starting the video, let me tell you something about Binance application. Binance is one of the most reputed crypto exchange in the world with license, registrations and approvals across multiple jurisdictions. Their system is secured with state-of-art security measures including real-time risk monitoring, strict KYC protocols, and advanced end-to-end data encryptions. You can earn your rewards from Binance from staking, dual investment, and yield farming as well. You can reap the benefits of staking cryptocurrency on popular assets like Bitcoin, that is BTC, or Solana, that is SOL. You can use auto invest to buy crypto and earn passive income at the same time. It supports emerging blockchain and crypto projects on Binance Launchpad as well. Now, to get verified on Binance, you need to install the application on your device. If you have not installed the Binance application on your device, go ahead and launch open your Play Store. The home page of Play Store will appear on the screen. Click on the search bar on the top of the page. On the search box at the top, type in Binance and make a search. The search results will appear on the page. Tap on Install option right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Once you open the application, the home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on Verify Account option. It will direct you to the next page, and all you need to do is tap on Get Verified option. Now, it will direct you to the next page. On the next page, select your residency from the drop-down and tap on it. Once you do that, click on Continue. You will need to complete all the following steps to verify your account within 7 minutes, including your personal information, government issue ID, and your liveness check. Now, on the other page, what you need to do is enter your first and last name. In case if you have a middle name, enter your middle name as well. This should match your passport or ID. You need to enter the same language as of your document. After entering your legal first and last name, tap on Continue. Choose your nationality from the drop-down that match your passport or ID card and tap on it. Once you do that, click on Continue. Enter your date of birth and click on Continue once again. Moving to the further process, you need to enter your current residential address. Type in your current residential address including your postal code, city, country or region. Address must include all the information including any house number or apartment number. Once you enter all the details, tap on Continue. After you do that, you will be forwarded to the document verification page. You need to verify one of your documents, whether it's your passport, ID card or driver license. Among all the options, verification of passport is highly recommended. Firstly, you need to choose the document issuing country from the drop-down. You can choose your country or region from where your document is issued and tap on it from the drop-down. Once you choose your document issuing country from the drop-down, choose one of the document type that you would like to use it for the verification. Once you tap on one of the document type, click on Continue. Now, what you need to do is you need to take a picture of your passport. Upload a complete image of your ID document. You need to ensure all the details are readable in the image that you upload. You also need to make sure that the document is original and has not expired. Place the document against a solid colored background and tap on Continue. To take a picture, you need to allow Binance to take photos or videos from your device. Click on Allow from the pop-up. You need to place the information page of the passport in the frame shown as in the picture. Once you place the information page of the passport in the frame, click on the circle icon to capture the picture. If the picture is clear, you can continue without retaking the photo or else tap on retake photo option. Now once you do that, follow all the credentials and that is how you will be able to get verified on your Binance account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials in upcoming videos. Also, press the bell icon to receive all the notifications of uploaded videos from Tech Infosys. Thank you so much for watching.